Audit India. Today we have Shyamprasad, the MD of Vidya Hubs. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Tell me something about your company.
Vidya Hubs is a manufacturer of herbal extracts, all kinds of botanical extracts, spice extracts, and all natural products, phytochemical products.
Recently, Vidya Hubs has opened up supercritical fluid extraction technology. What made you to open this technology, sir?
We were always thinking of advanced technologies. Spice extract basically is manufactured by solvent extraction, conventional type of extraction where a lot of solvents are used, and it's a steam distillation unit to remove the essential oil. In this supercritical fluid extraction where the solvent is liquid carbon dioxide, the carbon dioxide gas is under pressure, it becomes liquid, and through that the percolation of the herbs, the spices is done by liquid carbon dioxide. And then the extraction is completed, the oleoresin and essential oil are separated from that. And then after extraction, the CO2 is driven out from the entire system and it goes back to the system. There is no residual solvents. And it's a clean eco technology wherein you are not cooking. Whereas your conventional extraction, you are cooking. Basically, you are boiling.
Yeah.
Here you are doing at a low temperature and it's a neat extraction. It is an eco product. It's a green product. So we can retain all the volatiles which escape when you're cooking or boiling. In this, all volatiles and the nature of the originality can be maintained in the CO2 extraction.
Sir, what is the temperature for this supercritical fluid? You said it's a less temperature.
Yeah, less temperature. We go up to 40 degrees.
Because other conventional technology, the temperature will be higher than 100
Yeah,
degrees.
80 degrees, 100 degrees.
Most of the oils get evaporated.
Yes.
Yeah.
So some of the fractions, essential oil is like a pattern of essential oils. Some of the volatile which boils at low degrees, it escapes away. The nature is not preserved. Where here you will retain the absolute nature of the actual. If you see, for example, ginger essential oil made from CO2 extraction, you will have the originality of the ginger compared to the steam distillation.
Okay, that flavor and
yes.
What are the herbs you are doing under this one, sir?
Some of the herbs we are taking, especially CO2 extraction deals with the non-polar products, like non-polar essential or active things, which are extracted by CO2 extraction. So we do whichever is possible when the customer asks for a spice oleoresin made from CO2 extraction, we do by CO2 extraction. It's a platform, I mean, what is the option available? What kind of advanced technology we can adopt to give a neat and clean molecule, clean ingredient for their manufacturing. See, now the international perception is about solvent residues and ppm levels, what kind of solvent residues we maintain. So the customer always wants a safe product to consume. Basically, it is going to foods. We cannot supply with oleoresin or something with solvent residues.
You said about non-polar spice products. What are those products?
Yeah, basically polar and non-polar active ingredients. Polar will not be extracted using CO2 extraction. That is a disadvantage.
That one you extract by
conventional ethanol extraction we have.
In terms of price, which is better you feel? Is it supercritical or conventional?
Yeah, supercritical fluid extraction is always a little more expensive than conventional extraction. Because of the batch size, we cannot handle big batch sizes, and then the cost of operation involved. So it's not so expensive as people think, but it's little expensive.
Which are the countries which are very particular about these products? The product processed under supercritical?
Yeah, the recent trend is everybody is looking for a neat product, safe product to use. The companies which are focusing on organic, or low solvent residues or no solvent residues, who emphasize for quality, always insist for some kind of this SCFA products.
Is this technology it's mandatory for export of the spices?
It's not a mandatory, but it's the customer's requirement. They don't want see a solvent residues in their food. Then it's a customer's requirement basically.
Then how is the market for this product in India?
SCFE products, CO2 extracted product is not so popular in India. People are not, they are not thinking towards that. Basically, the image is that SCFE will be 5 times more expensive or 10 times more expensive.
Common men think
so
like that.
Yeah, they don't even start adopting to that technology products.
In price wise, for a product, for the end user, what is the price difference, sir? Processed under supercritical and also this?
It's 30% more increase in price.
If we take the domestic market, how to improve the consumption of these products in India?
Yeah, SCFE products, we have to create more awareness in the people who are using food companies. We have to ask them, this is a product, this is an eco product, and then this is a very neat product, it is safe product, and then it is easy to use. All the originality of the nature, of the original spice is retained in this. So we have to educate end consumers.
You're doing any activities?
No, we are introspecting into domestic market nowadays. So we are introducing some supplements into the Indian market. So some of them will be spice extracts also. We have recently introduced mango extract in the domestic market. You
patent of that?
Yes, we have that. Yeah.
You're also into oleoresin extraction?
Yes.
So how do you procure that one? You do this farming, or else you procure from the direct farmer itself?
Yeah, some of the spices we procure from the farmers. Sometimes handling of spices, we need huge quantity of spices.
Okay.
So one farmer cannot meet the requirement of.
Okay.
So we have to go through a agency. We always focus for traceability. Traceability is in our quality program. We focus for traceability, and the raw material is procured, the raw material is tested, and then after testing it is processed. We don't blindly process the raw materials. Even if it's the case of spice, it can be case of herbs, we test it first. Quality is our focus and safety is our focus. We focus for raw material safety as well as processing controls, quality and finished product. We have invested on a lot of instruments which are very expensive, and then we focus for finest quality. We test using the machines, all imported machines we use, and then we test each and every batch, each lot.
What are the testing you do, sir?
We test for pesticide residues, we test for microorganisms, micro aflatoxins, and then we test for heavy metals and the active ingredients.
When it comes to India,
Yeah.
a pesticide residue is a main problem.
Yeah.
So when you process these oleoresins and all, how you overcome all these things?
Yeah, we have quality policy in place, raw material testing. We select a vendor and who supplies us the raw material. We test for their quality. Once approved, then we keep them as a source for a longer time. And then intermittently we keep on testing their raw materials, and we visit their farm, then what kind of things they are doing, how the farmers are using, what kind of pesticides we need to check. So we test for 200, 300 pesticides using our machines. So we will check what kind of pesticides they use, and then what the kind of soil contaminations. So this kind of things is a basic quality procedure for us.
So you are into contact farming with the farmers?
Indirectly, yes. We are not focusing because we are not major into spice.
Okay.
So when we do major science, we want to spices. We want to really do contract farming with the spice farmers.
Where do you buy all these products, sir?
For example, these spices, for example, if you want to buy turmeric, we have to go to Tamil Nadu, Salem, Erode, Velati, we have to purchase. That is the best in the India. And then spices, pepper, nutmeg, we have to go to Kerala.
You are not into this northeast, eastern parts?
Not yet.
That part is going.
Yeah.
Can you comment on that one, sir? Northeastern part?
I am hearing some news articles like that. There is a lot of scope for northeastern people. Farmers are coming out with cultivating a lot of spices. We want to look towards northeast and to promote the spices of that region, which are unique in nature. What are special spices or herbs or natural things, what they can cultivate. We want to process them all.
So you have taken over two companies. One is in Cochin, one is in Pondicherry.
Yes.
So what is your future prospects of that?
Yeah, we are always looking for value additions. Value addition and new thinking, new concept, and then new studies, and this all the things we are focusing. So value addition means, we want to have an exclusive spice manufacturing unit. We went for a spice extraction. We want an exclusive carotenoid manufacturer. We want to be a specialist in carotenoids. We have taken Pondicherry.
Okay.
So this way we want to drive our thought towards value addition.
That is only into herbs, those two companies?
Yeah, one is carotenoid specialization and another is spice.
Okay.
As you know, Kerala is a spice valley. So it's good to have a manufacturing facility there where we can get a lot of spices indigenously, very nice, domestic.
Herbs, what are the products you are manufacturing, sir?
We do a lot of herbal extracts. So it is our, from the beginning we have been doing that. All kinds of herbal extracts based on Ayurvedic herbs. We process them and extract, and then we export.
Coming to oleoresin, which are the countries you are exporting mainly?
Oleoresin USA to Europe, European countries. We are even deeper thinking how to promote our oleoresins into other countries like Korea, like Southeast Asia. We are getting a lot of responses from the main consumers that they don't want made from some country especially. So they want to look towards India for spice extracts. We are working with them, so I think it is a good opportunity.
So in domestic market, what do you feel? Why the people are not going to oleoresins, oils instead of using the whole spices? Is it because of the price factor or something
the
else?
food sector is yet to be developed in India. There is no systemized food. For example, if you take advanced countries, developed countries, the food packaging and food ready to eat foods, that concept has not yet come to India. Still we are lagging there. So once it comes, then automatically the spice oleoresin in demand, everything will grow. So they will start using like spice, a drop of say black pepper, a drop of coriander, or a drop of
Chili.
cardamom.
Yeah.
It will make their cooking very easy. So first, our policy towards quality. The customer should convince, and even if sometimes we give the samples to the independent laboratory and check. Not only self-assessment, we will give samples to the independent laboratory in USA or Europe. We get it checked for the various pesticides and then active principles, heavy metals, then deliver for their confidence.
I have read an article regarding this, yours article, that Vidya has done so many things. Can you comment, like, how was the journey?
Yeah, it's basically, passion driven. This is a passion for us, and it's a quality driven, and what we can focus towards this business, what we can achieve. That's our passion and love for this business.
So now we are targeting for
1,000 crores in 5 years. So for doing this, when we have a goal, we need to have infrastructure. I focus for infrastructure. I focus for how to be innovative, how to develop the new products, and how to introduce innovative products with safety, without health hazard.
What are the plans, sir? You are coming with a new products?
Yeah, we are working. Our scientists are working continuously on different molecules, natural molecules. So carotenoids and spice extracts and herbal extracts. We are working on new concepts. There is idea. We do brainstorming how to introduce a new product. We discuss, and then we do the systematically. We do all kinds of studies.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much
for spending time with us.
Thank you very much. It's our pleasure.
Few suggestions for our readers.
Yeah, it's basically this herbal. We have to focus for more towards nature molecules, to keep ourselves happy and fit and improve our quality of life naturally.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.